morning, y'all. 5 o'clock in the morning. Oh, Dukkie. This is our beautiful campsite. So I got to defrost food because I forgot to unplug the refrigerator and all this food's frozen. So now I got to thaw it out. Oh, beautiful morning. Anybody new to this channel, my name is TrevDev, this is Dukkie, and we're traveling around the United States this summer. And we want to show you the reality of how it is to live in a microvan at campsites, truck stops, Walmarts, whatever is available at the time if I didn't schedule anything. And right now we're in Kentucky. So it's morning, it's 8 o'clock, and we don't have to literally leave till 11. Well, you don't have to be out here just till 3. This is a different one. So I feel nice, fresh, and clean and ready to roll this morning. Enjoy my little view I got here. Open it up a little more. And right now we're heading back to St. Pete for a couple appointments, get some work done, and then we're gonna go back on our travels. You guys won't miss anything. You guys won't miss more excitement and adventures, because after this we're gonna go heading north. Let's make this happen. Yeah, so fresh and so clean. Contact time, we're almost there. So we got about 5-6 hour ride. That's nice fireworks, are pretty cool. Even though we're close to people next door to us. Very nice. Since I'm running out of shirts, I will be putting on this nice collar shirt. Beauty. Hey, my dude. Gotta make sure we got Boney. Alright, Boney's right here. Boney is Dukkie's favorite bone. So I bought this for him when I first got him. And I'm not a fan of rawhide, so I don't know why I bought it. And he loves it. This is probably the last nice, cool, comfortable day. Because once I get into Atlanta and then Florida, welcome to the Florida summers. Rain and hotness. Alright guys, well, we are going to hit the road and we're going to head to our next destination and campsite. Most likely we'll stop and get lunch. I'm not sure where. We are going through Tennessee, but I don't know if I want to stop in the middle of the city somewhere. We still got some wood left. Welcome to the Volunteer State of Tennessee. And it's only, let's see what time it's at, 11:30, and there was some traffic coming up because of some road construction. So I'm gonna get off here. I found a place that we can stop off and get some lunch, and hopefully it clears up by the time we get done with lunch and head back to our next campsite. Alright guys, well we're back on the road and it seems like it redirected me to a different way. So we're gonna go this way and then we should be camp a little bit after, I would say around 5 o'clock, by the time we stop to get more gas and stuff. I got everything I need for tonight, and then we're just gonna go there and hang out. Maybe there's some hiking trails or something we can check out. It's right on the lake, so. Back in Nashville, Tennessee. Little Dukkie. we're gonna get some wood. We're underneath 75 south right now and north. It's 9 and 2, and I got number 65 to 31. I got number 16. Going straight. Why are you leaving the garbage outside? Oh yeah. There's the boat launch. Yep. You got the tubing out there. Nice. Whoa. How do I get down here? Moving on that one. Over there somewhere. Playground for the kiddos. 14. 15. 16. Nice. Oh yeah. So there's 75 right there. So every time I go up 75 now, I'm gonna be like, oh, that's where I stayed. Oh, there's another boat ramp over there too. Must be a public one. So this is our campsite for the night, and this is the last one of this adventure across the country, and it's not the end. This is not the end of this adventure. It's not the end of going across country. It's time to get this party started, right? It's nice. They all got electric and water, no sewer, but electric and water. I don't know if all do, but the section that we're staying at right now. So, oh, what is it? So you can see. Oh, you can't see my map from here. It's actually a perfect place to when you just want to stop and get a good night's sleep. I think it was like $34. You know, I'll get a nice peaceful sleep tonight, hit the road. Some nice little spots to go swimming. And our van's over there, so we walk down there. And then boom. This is definitely Georgia. That's what stinks about camping this time of year. It's kind of muggy, buggy, and swampy. Okay, let's go up this way. We came from that way. We go left. There's our place. It's a little trail. I see a building over here, so most likely it's the bathroom. Let's go check that out. Bed in the bathroom. Booyaka! Look at that. Data Planet. Johnny B's. Georgia. Nice bathroom. Up these rocks. It's like he's born a rock climber. And he does that. First time I saw it was in Ireland last year. You trying to tell me he's not a happy guy? I don't know what to say. You wanna go in the van? Wanna go in the van? Cha-cha. cook. An easy one. Beef, mushrooms, and some of that Franco-American spaghetti, which I call goulash. And I'm excited about my another night. Oh yeah. Now would you look at that? Oh yeah, it's getting warmer. Woo. There's the next to us, or family next to us. They look young. Well, anyways, we'll see you in the morning. It's been a good day. We're in Georgia, so we're only about 7-8 hours away from Florida, which will give me enough time to get things done before appointments and then figure out from there.